all to Think Maths. We are in class 10 Maths, chapter 6, triangles. In this session, we are going to discuss about Theorem 6.5. So, what is that? If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. So, that is, two sides are proportional and an angle is equal. That is SAS. Side, angle, side criteria. Okay. So, what is given? They have given a triangle ABC and triangle DEF. One angle is equal. So, let us take angle A is equal to angle D. So, next line, the sides including these angles. So, it means, so this is the angle equal. So, the sides on both the sides of this angle. So, there is the angle A here. The sides on left and right is AB and AC. So, for the angle D, the sides on both the sides of these angles are DE and DF. So, they given AB by D is equal to AC by DF. So, this is what given. We have to prove angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. So, what happens? We get three angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle D, it is given. If we prove angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, already we proved the angle criteria, AAA criteria. So, using that criteria, that is in Theorem 6.3, we can use Theorem 6.3 and say triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So, in order to prove this, we have to construct some points and lines. So, what are they? Let us take a point P on D such that DP is equal to AB and a point Q on DF such that DQ is equal to AC. Then join this PQ line. So, this is the construction. Mark a point P on DE and Q on DF such that AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. Join PQ. So, what are the steps we have to prove? First step, we have to prove PQ parallel to EF. So, if we prove this, we will get corresponding angles equal. So, we will get angle P is equal to angle E and angle Q is equal to angle F. Next, if we consider triangle ABC and DPQ, what will happen? Angles will be equal. So, then we will get this congruency. Then in step 3, we have to prove angle B is equal to angle E and angle Q is equal to angle F. So, all angles will be equal. By AAA criteria, we can prove this similarity. Okay. So, let us get into the proof in the next page. So, now we have constructed the line PQ such that AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. So, this is by construction. Okay. So, now we are getting into the proof. So, first what is given? The given is AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. So, this is given. So, instead of AB, we can write DP by construction. DP by DE is equal to, instead of AC, we can write DQ. DQ by DF. So, this is by construction. So, next step, I am going to inverse this. So, DE by DP is equal to DF by DQ. So, by inversing. Next, I am going to subtract 1 on both sides. So, if we subtract, we will get DE by DP minus 1 equal to DF by DQ minus 1. So, if we take DP as LCM, we will get DE minus DP is equal to DF. So, what happens? DQ is the LCM. So you have to multiply with it by dq. So dE minus dP. So dE is full side and dP is this half. So dE minus dP will be equal to PE. So PE divided by dP is equal to, in the same way, dF minus dQ is equal to QF. So QF by dQ. Again you can inverse this. If you inverse this, you will get dP by PE equal to dQ by QF. So by inversing. So what happens? By converse of BPT, we will have PQ parallel to EF. So this is by converse of BPT. Okay, understood? So the remaining part will be in the next page. So in the previous page, we have proved that PQ parallel to EF. This is step 1. So if PQ is parallel to EF, then we can say corresponding angles are equal, because if there is a transversal line and these two lines are parallel, then by transverse theorem in the previous classes we have proved that these two angles are equal. So in the same way, PE is the transversal line, then angle P will be equal to angle E. In the same way, QF is the transversal line, then angle Q is equal to angle F. So this is what we have to use. Now we have angle P is equal to angle E and angle Q is equal to angle F. So let us assume this as 1. This is by corresponding angles are equal. Okay. I hope you can understand this concept which you have studied in the previous classes. Okay. Now we are moving on to step 2. Step 2, we are going to consider the triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. So what are the things we have in triangle ABC and triangle DPQ? We have angle A is equal to angle D. Then by construction we have AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. So what happens? Two sides are equal and an angle is equal. Then by S congruency, we have triangle ABC congruent to triangle DPQ. So if they are congruent, then what happens? By congruent parts of the corresponding parts of the congruent triangle, we have angle B is equal to angle P, angle C is equal to angle Q. So this is moving on to step 3. So if they are congruent, we will have angle B is equal to angle P, angle C is equal to angle Q. So that is CPCT. So what is CPCT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay. So this is CPCT. So corresponding parts of congruent triangles will be equal. So we got this. Angle B is equal to angle P. Angle C is equal to angle Q. So let us assume this as 2. What happens from 1 and 2? Where is 1? So 1 it is here. Here angle P is equal to angle E. We have here angle P is equal to angle B. So then we have angle B is equal to angle E. Also we have angle Q is equal to angle F. Here we have angle Q is equal to angle C. Then we have angle C is equal to angle F. So also it is given angle A is equal to angle D. So already we have proved the AAA criteria. So by that we will have by A angle criteria, which we proved in theorem 6.3. So we have triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Okay. So in these two triangles we have angle A is equal to angle D, which is given, and we have proved angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. So by theorem 6.3, which is AAA criteria, we have triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. So this is what we have to prove, and we have proved it. Okay, understood? So I hope you can understand all the theorems. If you like my video, just share, like and subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get the notification whenever I upload my videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching and thank you for your support.